Hey guys, good morning one and all. This is Hanuman Naik and welcome to our channel Smart Study. In the continuation of the last class, in the last class we discussed that problem number 3 from the mensuration. Yes or no? Yes. In the last class we completed problem number 3. In this class we see that next question, that is the fourth question. Now, just read the question carefully, then you will get something. So while reading the question in the mensuration part, what we have to do? You have to draw that rough sketches. You have to draw first beginning is what, while reading the question you have to draw the rough sketches. That is. So now see that question. The area of a square is half hectare. So the question is related to the square. Just draw the square box. Just draw that square box. Then next word is about hectare. Just leave it about the hectare. And coming to the square, what are the properties of the square box? Properties of the squares, all sides are equal, we know that. Yes. Then here I can write here one formula. The area of the square is equal to s square, that is meters, meter squares, s into s, and perimeter is equal to 4 into a. Yes. And this area is also, one more formula is also there in terms of diagonal, that is half into d square. These are the formulas I know about that this square box. Yes or no? Yes. Just see that, remember one thing, I am not complete the complete question also. Reading the question I am not complete also. So before reading that, how many whatever the topic the diagrams are there, just draw the diagram and respected formulas I wrote here. The see that the area of the square is 1/2 hectare, and one more important thing is 1 hectare is equal to, do you know how many meters? Right, in terms of meters, 1 hectare, anybody knows? 10,000 meter squares. 1 hectare nothing but 10,000 right. 1 hectare is equal to 10,000 meter squares, and this is the important thing, you have to remember this and note it down also. Then find the length of its diagonal. They are asking that what? Diagonal. Now area, they gave that area of a square is equal to is half hectare. So here area is nothing but is equal to how much they gave? Half hectare. Yes or no? But I know that this hectare is equal to, in terms of meters, instead of hectare, can I write 10,000? Yes. 4 zeros. Right? Now, after that, can I cancel here? 2 ones are, 2 fives are, and 3 zeros. Right? So, my area is equal to how much I got here? 5,000 meter squares. Now I know that area in terms of meters. Yes or no? Now I know that my area is equal to how much, guys? 5,000 meter squares. But they are not asking the area, they are asking in what? Diagonal they are asking. From see that formula, if you know that area, that is a 5,000, and they are asking that what? Diagonal. Area diagonal relation is half into d square. D. I have to find diagonal. Now if it comes to this side, then what happens? 10,000. 5,000 into 2. 2 times of 5,000 is 10,000. That is equal to d square. Now from this part, can you find the d value? Yes, I can. D is equal to under root of 10,000. Yes, and root of the 10,000 value, how much, guys? Anybody knows that? Root of the 10,000 value, here 1 out of 4 zeros, just write 2 zeros. That is the meters. That's the answer. Your diagonal is 100 meters. And you may have the question, you may have the doubt is what? How under root of 10,000 is 100? You may have the doubt. Yes, for this I will take one more class and I will explain to you. Okay, up to that just remember under root of 10,000 is equal to how much? 100 meters. That's the answer for this question. Okay, shall I move for the next question? Yes. Now see that the question number 5. The question number 5 is about, just read the question. One side of the rectangle field is 8 meter and one of its diagonal is 17 meters. Then find the area of the field. Then find the area of the field. So here is our rectangle box. So first what to do? We have to draw the rectangle. I am drawing here rectangle just to see that. And what they gave that? It has, there is a one diagonal. The diagonal value is how much? 17 meters. And one side is how much, guys? How much they give? One side is 8 meters. Now consider this side is 8 meters. Okay, so what about this side? First we have to find this side value. From this diagram, can I find this part or not? Yes. How to that? With the help of Pythagoras law. With the help of Pythagoras law, that is equal to 17 square is equal to question mark square plus 8 square. Yes or no? And here 17 square is 289 and my minus 64. 8 square is 64. That is equal to my question mark square. And this will be how much? 225. That is equal to this question mark square. And my question mark is equal to under root of 225. Under root of 225 is how much, guys? Under root of 225 is 15 meters. Now I got that one more side value is how much? 15 meters. Yes. What they are asking that? What they are asking? Then find the area of the field. Yes, we can. Now we can find the area or not? Yes. We know the sides. We know the sides. Can you find the area? Yes. Area of a rectangle is what, guys? Length into breadth. That is 15 into 8. 15 8 is how much? Tell me that. I hope you are good in tables. That answer is up to you only. 15 8 is how much? You know that. The next question. The question number, next question is yes. The question number 6. See that question number 6. If the perimeter and area of a square is equal, perimeter and areas are equal, then find the side of a square. There is an important problem. This problem is important. See that what they are giving. Just I will zoom out and I will write here. Area and perimeter of a square box is equal. First, just draw that square box. Just draw that square box. Its perimeter is equal to its area. Yes, yes. The perimeter of a square box is what? 4 sides are equal means 4 into a is equal to area of a square is what? A square. Up to here clear, guys? Then here is what? This side a and this square values gets cancelled. Now my a value is how much? 4 meters. That's only they are asking or not? This only they are asking. What is that? Then find the square. This is a is what? My side only, na? Yes. The answer is this only for the question number 6. Now coming to the question number 7. See the question number 7. Yes. See the question number 7. Find the area of trapezium whose length of the parallel sides are 8 centimeter and 6 centimeter. First, what to do? We have to draw that trapezium diagram, right? Now, see here, I draw on that trapezium. Parallel sides are what? This side and this side. These sides are lengths are what? 8 centimeter and 6 centimeter. This is a shorter, so I am writing here 6 centimeter. Here I am writing 8 centimeters. So these are the parallel sides now. Yes. Why these two are parallel sides? If you want that, you can go to the previous video, you can see that. Then after that, find the distance and the distance between that, that is h. This is distance between that is h value. How much they gave? 4 centimeters. Then they are asking that what? Area. Yes, we know the formula of trapezium is what? Half into a plus b into h. Yes or no? Here is also there the formula. Here also there the formula. Just you can copy from that. And my area is equal to just half into a plus b. 8 plus 6, how much? 4. And h value is how much? 4. 2 1s are 2 7s are 7 4s are how much? You know that. That is area, always in meter squares or centimeter squares. Here the options questions are in centimeters, so you are answering in centimeters only. So here is 7 4s are how much? You know that. Then next question. See. See the next question. Find the area of a square whose diagonals is 2.4 meters. So in terms of square, there is a formula. We know that the area of a square formula is in terms of diagonal, guys, half into d square. Yes or no? Yes. They gave that what? Find the area. Whose diagonal they gave. In d square, write that 2.4 whole square. Do the simplification. You will get this answer. Okay. And if you can solve the problem, just try to solve this problem number 9. The length of the parallel sides of a trapezium. Just now we discussed about the trapezium. Sides ratio are in 2:3. The distance between that is a h value 5 centimeters. Then find the and its area also they gave that. Then they are asking that its original sides length, parallel original length. Then ratio, initially they gave the ratio, but they are not asking the ratio, they are asking that lengths of parallel sides. Just try to solve it question and send it to my number and or mail ID or anything anywhere, or put in your answer in comment box. I will check your answers and send you that either your answer is correct or wrong. Okay, up to that, bye bye, take care.